Hi, myself Alakunta Navin, rule number 49 from ITA. My topic is about modifiers. What are modifiers? A working definition for the word modify is to change or to alter something. This definition is the same when considering the purpose of modifiers within a sentence. A modifier changes, clarifies, qualifies, or limits a particular word in a sentence in order to add emphasis, explanation, or detail. Modifiers tend to be descriptive words such as adjectives and adverbs. Modifier phrases such as adjective clauses and adverbial phrases also exist and tend to describe adjectives and adverbs. To illustrate the power of modifiers, consider the following simple sentence. Example: Sarah was sure fit for junior prom queen. Now consider the same sentence with multiple modifiers added. Example: The blonde girl named Sarah, who was a foreign exchange student from England, quickly climbed the ladder of popularity during her junior year. Smiling her way through cheerleading and an ASB presidency term, she inched near the top and was a sure fit as junior prom queen. The additional details in the sentence by way of modifiers engage the reader and hold their attention. Like most writing techniques, modifier can be brilliant when used correctly and effectively. On the other hand, if a modifier is used incorrectly, the meaning of the sentence can become blurred or distorted. This is true with dangling modifiers and other problematic modifiers. Generally, are of two types according to their position to the words they modify: pre-modifiers and post-modifiers. Let us see about pre-modifiers. Pre-modifiers are the modifiers which modify the words that follow them in the sentence. Conventionally, the adjectives are usually placed before the nouns. So, most of the adjectives are pre-modifiers. Adverbs are often placed before the words they modify. Articles determines demonstratives, proper adjectives, descriptive adjectives, compound adjectives, particles, etc. are the adjectives which come before the nouns and modify them. Conjunctive adverbs, sentence adverbs, and some other adverbs can work being placed before the verbs, adjectives, other adverbs. Example: generally the brown dogs are nice. Here, generally is adverb, the article is the is article, brown is descriptive adjective. And apparently the bank has a lot of security process. Here the apparently is adverb, that is demonstrative, and bank has a lot of is determines security is adjective. Give me that black covered shining box. Here that is demonstrative, black is descriptive adjective, covered is past participle, shining is present participle. Post modifiers. Post modifiers are the modifiers which come after the words they modify. Customarily, the adverbs come after the verbs and modify them. However, some adjectives also come after the nouns and modify them. Most of the adverbs of times, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, direction usually come after the verbs that modify. Appositives, proportional. Phrases, adjectives, adverbs, infinitives, adverbs, adjectives, dependent clause, etc. usually come after the nouns they modify. Here example is Jason Roy, a cricketer, has been selected in the squad. Here cricketer is appositive and squad is adverb. Stark, our teacher, gives us to do in the class. Here teacher appositive, here the gives is appositives and do is infinitive adjective. The class is adverb of place. Ronaldo, the captain of Portugal team, plays expansionally. Here, team is appositive and expansional is adverb of manner. Misplaced modifiers. One of the most common problems in where to place them. Especially modifiers can cause confusion or unintentional humor in a sentence when they are placed too far from the noun they are modifying. Example: they bought a car for my sister, then they call Pumpkin. In this sentence, Pumpkin is the car's name, not the sister's. But this is not clear. This confusion and unintentional humor is the unintentional humor is the result of misplaced modifier. That is all about my topic. Thank you.